one thing that is like a bucket list with your van is, I mean, shipping your van, I guess, would be pretty cool, but putting it on a ferry. And it's really funny because we're so excited over the smallest thing, and it's only 30 minutes of a ferry. The boys are like, is there food? Is there food? Nope, no food. But at least you can walk around. But anyway, so yeah, we're doing the whole thing. We're putting the van on a ferry. We're traveling from
Whidbey Island
to
the Olympic Peninsula. So the town is Coopville on Whidbey Island. I'm saying that wrong. To Port Townsend.
So yeah, so we're going to go over there, and we are going to go to Olympic National Park. I think today we might even enter the park, go to the visitor center, and then find a place to sleep. But this is like our first time. We're working, we're seeing, we're working, we're seeing, we're working, we're seeing, and traveling all at the same time. So we got this down, but it's really exciting because right now we are going to go on a boat, and we're gonna put our van on a boat, and we're putting our dog on a boat, and we're putting our kids on a boat. We're all going on a boat today, so yeah. Dude, it's big enough for semis. That is nuts. Totally nuts. You guys, we're going on the ferry. What?
We're driving on a boat.
Oh, geez. To the boys, there is snacks, it's just close. Hello. Oh my gosh, babe, that is weird.
Thanks, partner.
Partner, giddy up.
Yeehaw! Go on now. What's that dog?
You guys, we just crossed the thing.
The border.
Not the border.
Come on.
Oh, there's a lot of people waiting to get on to cross over and walk.
There's a little house up there.
So we just got off the ferry, and time-wise, we're just gonna hang out in Port Townsend, here, right where the ferry got off. And I got something fun to do. I think I'm gonna let the boys take over the camera while we're visiting this town. See what they come up with.
Like you heard, we are in the town of Port Townsend, and my mom handed me the camera.
The following day.
Hey there. Good, you? Alright guys, picking you up. We kind of spent the day working. Work day, sat down by a park, had some free Wi-Fi from a community center, let the kids play. Spent last night in a super classy spot, casino parking lot. Heading around the Olympic Peninsula today. But right now, we just made the trek up to the top, what's known as Hurricane Ridge, so at the Hurricane Ridge Visitor Center. And these views are epic. I've never seen anything like it. Kind of works.
So we made it down Hurricane Ridge, and the views up there were just amazing. It was really cool, really cool. So now we're gonna head down the 101. Like, our journey on the 101 starts, like, I mean, it started yesterday, but it like really starts today, heading down there, down at 101 and the 1. But anyway, we're heading around the peninsula, gonna find a place to sleep tonight before we actually, because we do have a hike tomorrow that we're gonna go on. So yeah, so we're gonna head down the 101, find a good camping spot, a good little boondocking spot, and go from there. You know?
Yeah. So we were not sure where we were going to stay tonight, and so we were hunting on ioverlander and a few other websites, just trying to find a good spot. We're on the west side of the peninsula now. We want to be near Hoh Rainforest, because that's what we're going to do tomorrow. And we found a spot that had great reviews. Said it was going to be right in the river, as you can see behind me, and it's just perfect. There's a couple other people here, but it's quiet, peaceful. So I think we lucked out. It's a private property spot. The guy just kind of has a mailbox up front and says leave $5, so I think it's good.
Mom, one of my characters tried this on the
We just got done at probably one of the best ioverlander spots that we have found so far. And it wasn't that busy. There was a couple other people there, but not that bad. People even headed out today. As you can tell, we got sun, and that is gonna hurt later. It's like the first sun of the season. And we weren't even out for that long, but we couldn't have the awning in and out because the wind picked up a little bit, but that's okay. But right now we are on our way to the
Hoh River Rainforest?
Hoh River Rainforest, up in the Olympic National Park on the north side of the peninsula.
West side.
West side of the peninsula. And the boys, when we were doing homeschooling, learned about the quietest place, and it's actually there for the Pacific Northwest or the Northwest region. So we are going to head there now. We're going to do this small little walk, hike, and it's going to be a lot of fun. The boys will have to be quiet, because they go out and they actually measure how much sound is in the area to make sure that it stays one of the quietest places in the world. So yeah, we're gonna go do that hike and pick you guys up there.
That's what I could.
We're in one of the most quietest places in the Hoh
Rainforest.
Rainforest in Olympic National Park. You can hear the wind, but oh my gosh, I'm still going. You can still hear the wind, but it's pretty crazy because the people who are walking like the path with you is legitly like you don't hear them, and then all of a sudden they're on you, and then they go around the corner, and you just hear like nothing. But you hear wind, but it's really quiet. It's actually really cool. It's very peaceful. It's a really nice walk or hike. But yeah, more in a little bit.
Picking you up, not at the rainforest now, but now we're at the beach. So we finished out the day by driving down to Ocean Shores. Sorry, it's windy. And got a spot to stay. Just wanted to watch the sunset real quick. Then we'll get back on the road tomorrow and be getting into Oregon tomorrow. So we'll leave you now and pick you up then.
Are in the town of Port Townsend. We're in one of the most quietest areas of... Where are we?
Sure, we can keep talking.